Namaste students, today our topic is kinds of endowments. Endowments are of two kinds. One, public endowment. In order to ascertain the nature of the endowment as to whether it is public or private, the subsequent conduct of the settlor and use of the evidence of the property set apart by the public at large are to be considered. In fact, when a temple is thrown open for public at large for worship, a valid inference can be drawn that a public trust has been intended to have been created. That is called public endowment. Second, private endowment. Private endowment is that in which the public has no ingress as an endowment for the worship of the family deity of the settlor, where the property is kept separate safely for the worship of family deity by family members only, with which the public has nothing to do. It is a private endowment. Even if other Hindu worshippers are allowed to worship a family deity, it will not confirm public nature to endowment. इन अब एक केस लेंगे, विना गण पलासोवेनी वर्सेज 11.RE बोर्ड AIR 1976 मद्रास 102. It was laid down that where the temple was initially set apart for the use of the family members only, and subsequently if some outsiders are allowed ingress therein, it will not automatically alter the private nature to public subject of endowment. A Hindu is free to dedicate all its property for religious charitable purpose, which he can validly dispose of by gift or will. A Hindu can give and dispose whole of his property. It was held in Venkata Krishna versus Sub Collector AIR 1969 Supreme Court 563 that a tank can also be a subject of endowment. Mode of certain of endowment. In case of creation of an endowment by will, a written deed is necessary. The will must be in writing attested by at least 2 witnesses if the case is governed by the Indian Succession Act. But the creation of a trust for the purpose is not necessary. Although no religious manifestation of the intention to create the endowment is required to constitute dedication. A mere entry in the account book of a firm of money lender showing that the firm is in debt to the temple allowed by crediting of interest does not create an endowment. Even in the case of dedication to an idol, it is not required that the property may be allowed to vest in the trustees. Mere expression of intention is sufficient, and sankalpa and samarpana is not necessary.